Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable all vibrations on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Touch. Then we go down and tap on Vibration. Tap on the vibration toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said here, when this switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including tones for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. So if you don't want to turn on vibration, you can switch it off here. Otherwise, you can turn it on. Now, if you want to further customize vibration, you can go to Settings and Notifications. In here, you can change vibrations based on the apps. So let's say if we go down to FaceTime, and in FaceTime, if you scroll down and tap on Sounds, at the top here is haptics. So in here you can change vibration for the app. So you can change the vibration pattern. You can choose none to turn off vibration. And similarly to other apps, so you can go down and change vibration for other apps as well. So in here is another section where you can further customize vibration on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.